In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Podio sign-up process. First thing you do is go to https://podio.com. Once the web page loads, come up here to the right, click sign up. Now we'll enter an email address, tutorial@reiflow.com. It's the one I'm going to use here. Enter my name, Scott Costello, and a password. Now we will sign up. First thing that happens after you enter in the information in that first screen is you'll get a confirmation email, which you'll have to click a link. Now we'll go to our email and check the inbox. Here's the email that you'll receive. Please verify your account. Click on open it up, and then we want to click on this link right here. So we'll do that by clicking it. It'll open up, go back to Podio, open up this screen. Now it's processing your account information, and now you enter into your settings page. It'll ask you for some general information about your company. You can fill those in if you want. Add a picture. So let's select your industry, real estate. How do you intend to use Podio as a CRM in sales? What is your phone number? So we can enter in your company phone number. And this is your email address that you signed up with, and you can also enter in other email addresses for people you want to include in your Podio account. You can have up to 5 people in the free version of Podio. After you get past 5, you need to start paying for a monthly subscription to Podio. But for REIFlow, you do not need to pay for Podio. Click done, because I do not want to add anybody else. And now we are going into a brief tutorial on Podio, where it will just give you the general basics of what and how Podio is structured. So the first part is the Workspaces. Multiple teams or departments in your business work on lots of projects or in different locations. With Workspaces, you can organize your work accordingly. Start out with the 3 workspaces to the right. Each includes some relevant apps we've set up for you. So what this means is workspaces are the top level in a company. You can have different workspaces for different parts of your company. In this example, you have the project management, intranet, and sales management. For REIFlow, the workspace will be REIFlow for Podio. Click to next. Apps. Think of apps as templates for creating and structuring any kind of work activity. Meetings, projects, deliverables, contexts, and the list is endless. In Podio, we keep it simple and call these items. So basically, within a workspace, you'll have apps. These apps are different subsections of that workspace. So in lead management, REIFlow, there are 13 apps, each one for different stages of a lead flow, like the general lead information, property, contacts, offers, and so on down the line. So let's go on to items next. Items are the core of Podio. Our users describe them as super smart documents that help you organize your work and get things done. Basically, items are records in an app. Each app, you can put in an unlimited amount of records. In REIFlow, each lead will be in the lead app, so each lead is basically a record. And within the record, there are fields that you can enter the information for that lead. So now let's create the first item. Since this is the Podio setup process, this is not REIFlow, but it's good to go through this to get a general idea on how Podio works, because REIFlow works the same way at its core. So right here, getting started, it wants you to create a new project. It gives you a link here, but generally you'll be within an app. We're in the projects app now, and we'll add project. We can enter in a title, a deadline. This is a number field. So we'll say this is deadline the 31st, responsibilities. Put myself in here. The status is this is in progress. And now, since we fit out these fields, you can see on the right side here, there's a checklist of things that Podio wants you to do. And now it wants us to click on to modify the template. The template is what governs what shows up on each app form right here. So we do modify template, and we can add a text field. Add this text field, new text field, and we'll click done when we've added that. So as you can see, it's very easy to modify a template or an app. We can add some information here. And now we'll save the project. The project item is now saved to the app. So we can go back to the projects. This is the dashboard for the projects app, and you can see that here is our new project. So that's the basics of setting up your Podio account and getting into your first Workspace app and adding your first item. You won't be using any of these apps while you're using REIFlow. These are just for demonstration purposes with Podio. In the next video, I will show you how to prepare Podio for REIFlow. Thank you.